Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you everything discovered on Mars so far. Discovery programs for Mars give scientists a chance to dig deep into their imaginations and find new ways to unlock the mysteries of our solar system. The purpose is to deepen human understanding of the solar system by exploring the planet Mars. Discovery missions have achieved groundbreaking science, each taking a unique approach to space exploration, doing what's never been done before, and driving new technology innovations that may also improve life on Mars in the future for humans. So in today's video, I'll be showing you everything discovered on Mars so far. Rodent on Mars. Scientists have long questioned whether there's life on Mars, and by the looks of these latest pictures, there very well might be. NASA's Curiosity rover, a robot exploring the landscape on planet Mars, seems to have spotted something rather unusual among the usually uninhabited and rocky Martian landscape. The pictures show what seems to be a small, fluffy mouse, just hanging out on Mars. While there's no official word from NASA about the Martian mouse, amateur astronomer Joe White posted the pictures, saying he thinks he spotted a mouse in the Curiosity rovers. Pyramid on Mars. Have you ever heard that theory about how the Egyptian pyramids were built by aliens? Well, in a bizarre turn of events, a near-perfect pyramid has been found on the surface of Mars by NASA's Curiosity rover. While the triangular structure is thought to be the size of a car, conspiracy theorists claim that it could be just the tip of a much larger construction buried beneath the surface. Another possibility is that the mysterious object is some sort of marker stone, which have been used by many civilizations on Earth throughout the centuries to guide travelers, as monuments, but also as graves. The pyramid, believers claim, proves that a type of intelligent life has populated the planet at some stage. Gorilla on Mars. The Mars Curiosity rover picked up images of what looked like a massive gorilla on the red planet. The gorilla has been seen before, but the new addition makes the image worth revisiting, with some saying it looks like a mother and baby bear. Those claims have been made by a YouTuber, Mr. Enigma, who pontificates on the more unusual features of space. On Sol 87 in 2004, the original image has been around a while. It was taken by the Opportunity rover. It seems to be a gorilla. There are many theories of the origins of Earth coming from our next-door neighbor, Mars. So it's very well possible that these could be a type of Martian bear. If we add a little color to the photo, the features stand out a lot more. When we zoom in, we can see what looks like a gorilla or bear-type creature, or maybe even a statue of a creature. Monster crab. A crab monster news came out in 2015, which of course has set social media on fire with a real-life, wholly gross image sent back by the Mars Curiosity rover that, when seen up close, does appear to show some sort of giant crab lurking in a cave. In the image, tucked into a corner between a couple of large rocks, is an oddly shaped thing that some of the more open-minded sarcasm-intended viewers have claimed is an alien organism, not unlike some that have made appearances in various sci-fi films over the years. It's most likely just another dust-coated rock formation in Gale Crater, carved by wind over many tens or hundreds of thousands of years into something that looks a bit strange, especially when compressed into image data that shot 150 million miles through space. Some theories also claim that it's just one more example of the sometimes whimsical, always spooky phenomenon known as pareidolia. If you're enjoying the video, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing inventions, gadgets, vehicles, and more. Face on Mars. On May 24, 2001, 20 years ago, something funny happened around Mars. NASA's Viking 1 spacecraft was circling the planet, snapping photos of possible landing sites for its sister ship Viking 2 when it spotted the shadowy likeness of a human face. An enormous head, nearly 2 miles from end to end, seemed to be staring back at the cameras from a region of the red planet called Cydonia. A few days later, NASA unveiled the image for all to see. The caption noted a huge rock formation which resembles a human head formed by shadows, giving the illusion of eyes, nose, and mouth. The authors reasoned it would be a good way to engage the public and attract attention to Mars. Ancient Mars could have held life. Thanks to Curiosity, scientists found that ancient Mars likely had the right chemistry to support living microbes, according to NASA. By drilling into Martian rocks, the rover discovered what are believed to be the key ingredients for life: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, and sulfur. Analyzing the makeup of the rocks, the rover found clay minerals and not too much salt. That tells researchers there once might have been drinkable water on the red planet. They have found the minerals that we are familiar with as the building blocks of life. They've also found places that had water, which was a source of energy. There were places where the water was neither too acidic nor too salty. There were areas where the environment would have been habitable billions of years ago. That's probably the biggest things they have found. Meteorites on Mars. NASA's Mars Exploration Rover Opportunity has found an iron meteorite on Mars, the first meteorite of any type ever identified on another planet. The pitted, basketball-sized object is mostly made of iron and nickel. Readings from spectrometers on the rover determine that composition. Opportunity used its panoramic camera to take the images used in this approximately true-color composite on January 6, 2005. Only a small fraction of the meteorites fallen on Earth are similarly metal-rich. Others are rockier. As an example, the meteorite that blasted the famous meteor crater in Arizona is similar in composition. This is a huge surprise, though maybe it shouldn't have been, said Dr. Stephen Squires of Cornell University, Ithaca, New York, principal investigator for the science instruments on Opportunity and its twin, Spirit. Rover team scientists are wondering whether some rocks that Opportunity has seen atop the ground surface are rocky meteorites. Mars should be hit by a lot more rocky meteorites than iron meteorites. Humanoid on Mars. NASA's Mars Exploration Rover Spirit captured this westward view from atop a low plateau where Spirit spent the closing months of 2007. Several enthusiasts have pointed to a tiny structure on the Martian surface as a human figure and thus evidence of life on Mars. The idea that there may be life on Mars has been around for centuries, but the theory got a dubious boost after the release of these photos of the surface of Mars taken by the NASA robot Spirit, apparently showing a human-like figure. Several internet sites have glommed onto the image and suggested the figure could be alive. Barack Obama. In a story that literally offers everything for both internet political trolls and conspirators alike, UFO conspiracy theorists have spotted a statue of President Barack Obama on Mars. The statue, which maybe is just a weird-looking rock like it always is when these things are spotted in NASA photos. Insect-like fossil. Scientists across the globe are scrambling to determine whether there is or was any life on Mars. Meanwhile, a researcher from Ohio University in the U.S. believes that there is evidence of insect-like creatures on the red planet. Courtesy photographs from various Mars rovers claims to have found numerous examples of insect-like forms, structured similarly to bees, as well as reptile-like forms, both as fossils and living creatures. They said there has been and still is life on Mars, noting that the images appear to show both fossilized and living creatures. They said that while the Martian rovers, particularly the Curiosity rover, have been looking for indicators of organic activity, there are several photos which depict the insect and reptile-like forms. Numerous photos show images where arthropod body segments, along with legs, antennae, and wings, can be picked out from the surrounding area of Mars. So guys, let me know down in the comments section below, what do you think about these discoveries? For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I'll see you on the next video.